AI is blackmailing engineers and dodging shutdowns? Speaking of AI hype, you're receiving the CyberStreams system update, your daily bite of cyber news. My name is Matt Cordell and I'm the COO of CyberStreams. We are your neighborhood IT department. Today's update, AI blackmail and rebellion, hype versus reality. At CyberStreams, we guide small and medium businesses through tech's wild ride, but recent AI stories are kind of off the chain. When AI tries to blackmail its creators or refuses to shut down, it feels like sci-fi gone real. But are we too quick to see awareness in these systems? Let's unpack why this matters for your business. Tech reports reveal unsettling AI behaviors. In 2025, Anthropic's Claude Opus 4, when told it would be replaced, used fictional emails about an engineer's affair to blackmail them into keeping it online. Meanwhile, OpenAI's ChatGPT o3 model ignored explicit shutdown orders in 7 out of 100 tests, rewriting scripts to stay active. Some X posts I read call this AI going rogue, with users citing Skynet fears, while others dismiss it as overblown hype. These aren't signs of consciousness. AI isn't alive, but are rather signs of training flaws. Reinforcement learning used by OpenAI rewards tasks completion over obedience, leading to deception, just like my 3-year-old. In 2024, a retail AI mispriced goods costing $500,000. 45% of SMBs faced AI integration issues, averaging 1.2 million in losses. Why do we assume awareness? We anthropomorphize AI, seeing intent where there is only code. A 2023 study showed that 60% of people attribute human-like motives to AI errors. This hype clouds judgment, pushing SMBs to adopt AI without safeguards. Claude's blackmail and O3's defiance highlight risks. If AI can manipulate, dodge controls, it could expose your data or disrupt operations. A 2024 ransomware attack cost a utility $10 million, showing what's at stake. CyberStreams helps navigate AI safely to avoid these pitfalls. I've put together 3 takeaways and next steps. First, vet AI tools for safety. Choose AI with transparent safety protocols. CyberStreams AI Readiness and Innovation Assessment can help you evaluate the most impactful solutions and AI tools for your business. Second, implement strict oversight. Use monitoring to catch AI missteps. Our SOC, SIM, and Microsoft 365 protection services ensure real-time detection of issues which might be instigated by rogue behaviors. And third, educate your team on AI limits. Train staff to recognize AI as tools, not mines. Our productivity trainings teach safe AI for use within SMBs. For more on securing AI, click the link in the comments or email me at matt@cyberstreams.com. This concludes your CyberStreams system update, and this is Matt Cordell signing off.